What's beer without hops? It's not beer, it's malt liquor. Shh. 7 simple steps to happy hops at home. Shh. Follow me. Step 1, procure a rhizome, or a tiny baby hop plant. I went with a rhizome. I purchased 3 Cascade, Chinook, and Nugget. Nugget was kind of the dice roll, and it's definitely, you know, on the struggle bus. But again, this is year 1, so I think that we're just gonna stay the course. These rhizomes, it grows like a weed, man. Hop fact. During the height of summer, you can pretty much watch these plants grow. Step 2, plant your hops or your rhizome in dirt. Find out what your planting zone is. You can plant hops between April, May, June here in North Carolina. Might be different where you live. It's a plant, put it in dirt, dummy.
So Russ, how do you ensure these hops stay happy?
My super secret, personal secret to happy hops? I'll never tell. Step 3, water your hops. Here in Asheville, you don't have to be super diligent with your watering because, hey, water just falls right out of the sky here. Oh yeah. Keep them moist, boys. Step 4, get your tackle in order. You're gonna wanna build a trellis for your hops to climb up. I put little pulleys on top of mine so I'll be able to lower my vines down when we're ready to harvest. If you're planting hops, some jabroni's gonna tell you, they're not vines, they're bines. What the heck is a bine? I thought it was just a bundle of vines. Turns out there's a difference. Vines can grow straight up a wall. A vine needs something to climb around. So trellis your hops with something they can. Specific components are perforated angle iron. I use decking screws to tag my angle iron right into the house. Carabiners, 1/8-inch wrapped steel cable, a couple of little tackle pulleys, and just strung the whole thing up while my neighbor across the street held the ladder. Keep the rubber side down. 4 on the floor. Step 5, train your hops. These vines want to grow, but they need a little encouragement. So you're gonna have to help them by just giving them a little starting pistol wrap around your cable or your trellis or what have you. Step 6, trim back your young shoots. I did this at the start of the season. Your hop vines are gonna put out these hollow young hop shoots that are like little fingers looking for something to climb. Trim those back. You've got something to climb here. It's a trellis that you made. How do you like that? Step 7, harvest your hops. We're about a month out from the harvest here. It's the last week of July. We'll probably harvest these first week of September, maybe. You can harvest hops in July, August, September in North Carolina. Might be different where you live. The plants will tell us when they're ready. Your cones will get papery. That lupulin will be super stanky, super danky. And our goal is to pull these right off of the vine and put them right in the brew kettle. We're gonna do a wet hot brew day, so stick around for that. Let us know in the comments what beer you think we should brew with the hops I grew in my yard. American Pale Ale, anybody? Huh? My secret to happy hops? Shel Silverstein. Read to your hops in the morning. Maybe a little Maurice Sendak in the evening. Slayer. Sing to your hops. It's raining blood from the lacerated sky. Hops dig lyrics. So then I said, rhizome, why don't you zome? Yeah, pretty good. Just me and my hops, chilling out, having a beer on a hot summer day. Growing's hard work, huh, buddy? Makes you thirsty.